Hi guys, welcome back. This is Stephanie from Feathers and Fairy Hair again. So I posted a video on how to organize new fairy hair. And so this is going to be very similar, but this time you're going to take your new fairy hair and you're going to add it to an existing color that you already have. So you bought some, maybe you were running out and you still had a little bit left. So you bought the same color again, and now you're going to add it to what you had. So we're going to get right to it. So you grab your old fairy hair and you're going to open your hook, undo your hook, and you're going to bring that through the hole that you made in your tubing, and you're going to pull out your fairy hair from the tubing. And then what I do here is untwist the twist tie. This one's a little firmer, so give me a second. All right, so untwist the twist tie. And then you just want to keep that loop in there for just a few more minutes while you get your new fairy hair ready. So if you need to, you can shake it out to try to get out some of those loops and knots in your fairy hair. So you're going to lay that down, put it aside for just a moment. We'll come back to it. And then you grab your new fairy hair. Again, wherever you get it from, typically will come in a plastic wrap like that. So this is how I take mine out, very gently, because you don't want to mat it up while you're taking it out. Sometimes it gets stuck here at the bottom in the glue. I'm going to try to unstuck it. There we go. All right, so we're going to try to pull this out again gently. All right, so it's out of the plastic wrap. Put that aside. Grab the fairy hair off the cardboard, put that aside, and then you can kind of organize it here. I'll show you what I do. You want to grab the middle of the strands, untwist your twist tie, and now sometimes there's extra ones that hang down, or not extra ones, but like they've gotten pulled and they hang down further. So what you can do is pull it all the way out and then recenter it into your strands like that. So that's not too bad. All right, so now I'm holding it in the middle. And while I'm holding that one, I'm going to go back to my old fairy hair. And I'm going to gently pick it up, grab in the middle again. And you really want to make sure you grab it in the middle and make sure that the fairy hair isn't looping. And then you're going to add that middle to the other middle. Now these are a little bit different sizes, unfortunately, but it won't look too bad once we get in the tubing. Okay, so that's about the middle. And then I'm going to grab that hook, the shower curtain hook. We're going to slide that into the middle and close it. Okay, and then keep holding it real tight so you don't lose that loop. And you're going to twist tie around the loop. This is the same as what we did in the previous video where we were organizing brand new fairy hair. So you want to get nice and tight. And then, like I said, I tie that twist tie onto one side of the hook just so the twist tie doesn't slide down in your tubing. So then you're going to grab your tubing. Make sure you grab the side with no holes in it. Put your hook in the tubing. You need glasses. And then slide it down your tubing. You can guide it with your fingers and let gravity kind of do the work for you. Once you get to the other end, you're going to reach in, grab the hook, open the hook, and then slide that side of the hook through the hole, just on one side. and then close it. All right, so now your fairy hair is in the tubing. It's secured because of that hole. So this hook is not going anywhere. Your fairy hair is not going anywhere, and your little twist tie is not going to slide down. So that's a really secure way to store and even display your fairy hair. Thanks for watching.